Our marinated grilled skirt steak has been our favorite for a very long time. Hi, I'm Mary Sue Milliken.
And I'm Susan Feniger.
And today we're going to make our marinated grilled skirt steak with avocado corn relish.
This recipe is fantastic for summertime because you can put the skirt steak and the corn on the grill.
It's easy to make at home. It's very impressive. Your family, your friends are going to be like, I can't believe this tastes so delicious.
Boy, our restaurants have been around for a really long time. This particular restaurant, Border Grill Downtown, has been around for 21 years.
Yeah.
21 years.
I'll never forget. There was a big rainbow outside and we were looking out the window. We just said, let's go into business together.
We didn't have any money. It was sort of a dream, but we didn't really talk about it that seriously.
Yeah, and it was, an opportunity for us to really do everything we wanted, to completely call the shots, be our own bosses. And we spent the next 4 years really working hard, like 6 days a week, morning, noon, and night. Well, should we tell them the secret of how to keep our business partnership and our friendship?
I think we should, yeah. I think it's therapy. Honestly, us each being in therapy helps you to look inside, deal with your own stuff instead of blaming your partner.
And allowing your partner or your friend to change, because that's what life is full of, is changes, and it's what we all hate, is change. The sooner you kind of get comfortable with the fact that it's not going to be the same in 5 years or 10 years or 20 years.
Or 37 years.
And that we're going to each be able to grow in our own ways, I think that's pretty helpful. This particular recipe has toasted cumin and lots of garlic and black pepper and a ton of cilantro and lime juice to make it bright and fresh.
This is one of those recipes that when people see it in our cookbook, they think we've made a mistake because it's got so many cumin seeds in it. But I think we both believe that a marinade needs to be very, very strong so that when you cook the meat, you actually get the flavor profile of it. One of the things I think when you're marinating this steak is the marinade is very strong and it has acid in it. So you don't want to over marinate it. Like you don't want to let it sit for 2 or 3 days. Overnight is fine.
Well, the restaurant scene in LA is very different than when we opened our first restaurant in 1981. It's really exploded. And it's not so much that it's so completely different, it's that everybody now is excited about food in a new way.
We used to not be considered one of the finest cities for dining. Now, Food and Wine called LA one of the finest cities for dining. So
it's amazing. There's great food in every neighborhood in LA now.
We used to be the 2 hot tamales. Now look.
This dish I never get tired of. Well,
I love the acid, the combo of the acid with this marinade. It's so great.
I like to make a little tortilla bite or taco bite. I took too big a bite.
Oh, yes!